Fishkin-Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin. BlendJet is following up on the wild success of the original portable USB rechargeable blender with the BlendJet 2.0. It uses USB-C for charging, has greater capacity, and a lot more power, able to blend ice, frozen fruit, and more. Founder Ryan Pamplin.
We have created big blender power on the go. And the way we do that is actually through what we call TurboJet technology. So inside of the BlendJet, there's a blade, and the blade is actually not in the center, it's offset.
Pamplin says he came up with the idea following a life-threatening accident and his dependence on blended nutrition. And he says it wasn't about making money, it's about improving health. The site is blendjet.com, and if you buy, use the code TEXTINATION10 for a 10% discount. You can find us at TEXTINATION.com. I'm Fred Fishkin. Cooking with the power of the sun. Hi, I'm Fred Fishkin, here to tell you about the latest innovation from my friend Patrick Sherwin and his great team at GoSun Stove. The GoSun Fusion has arrived using the company's tried and true reflectors and a solar vacuum tube to get you cooking without the mess of charcoal, heavy propane tanks, or smoke. A really bright idea. And with an optional solar panel and battery storage and the ability to plug in at home or on the road, you really can use the GoSun Fusion to cook anytime and anywhere, day or night, rain or shine. I love what Patrick and his team are doing, and so will you. Want to learn more? Head to gosun.co to check out all of the company's products and innovations and use the code TEXTINATION to save 10%. That's gosun.co.